Research is about finding answers to questions. We do research in all parts of life. Sometimes we need a simple answer. Sometimes we need a deeper understanding. This is where research methods come in. Researchers use different methods to study the world. The two main types are quantitative and qualitative. These methods have different strengths and purposes. Choosing the right method depends on your research question. It also depends on the type of data you want to collect. Quantitative research uses numbers to provide a clear, objective picture of the world around us. It measures things that we can count, such as quantities, frequencies, and patterns. We use quantitative research to answer questions like how many and how often. This type of research is essential for making data-driven decisions. Key characteristics of quantitative research include large sample sizes, numerical data, and statistical analysis. These elements help ensure the reliability and validity of the findings. For example, imagine you want to know how many people in your city like a new brand of coffee. This is where quantitative research shines. You could use a survey to ask people about their preference, gathering responses from a large number of participants. Then, you could use quantitative research methods to analyze the results, looking for trends and patterns in the data. You could find the percentage of people who prefer the new coffee, breaking down the data into meaningful insights. This is quantitative research in action, providing valuable information that can guide business decisions, policy making, and scientific understanding. By using quantitative research, we can make informed decisions based on solid evidence, ensuring that our conclusions are backed by data. Whether in business, healthcare, education, or any other field, quantitative research helps us understand the world in a measurable and precise way. It is a powerful tool that transforms raw numbers into actionable insights, driving progress and innovation. On the other hand, qualitative research explores ideas and experiences. It looks for deeper meaning in words, not numbers. We use qualitative research to answer why and how questions. Key characteristics of qualitative research are small sample sizes, text or image data, and thematic analysis. For example, imagine you want to understand why some people prefer online shopping. You could conduct interviews to explore their reasons. You would ask open-ended questions about their experiences and opinions. Analyzing the interview transcripts for common themes is a key part of qualitative research. Comparing quantitative and qualitative research. In this section, we will explore the key differences and similarities between these two fundamental research methods. Quantitative and qualitative research are different, but can also work together. Quantitative research focuses on numerical data and statistical analysis, while qualitative research delves into understanding human behavior and the reasons behind it. Quantitative research provides broad insights using numbers. It often involves large sample sizes and structured data collection methods like surveys and experiments. Qualitative research offers depth and understanding using words. It typically involves smaller sample sizes and unstructured or semi-structured techniques such as interviews, focus groups, and observations. Researchers often use both methods in a single study. This allows them to leverage the strengths of each approach to gain a more comprehensive understanding of the research problem. This is called mixed methods research. Mixed methods research integrates both quantitative and qualitative data to provide a fuller picture. This approach combines the strengths of both. By using mixed methods, researchers can validate their findings and provide more robust conclusions. For example, you might use a survey, which is quantitative, to find out how many people use a new app. Surveys can quickly gather data from a large number of respondents. Then, you could interview a small group of users, which is qualitative, to understand why they like it. These interviews can provide deeper insights into user experiences and preferences, which numbers alone cannot reveal. By combining these methods, researchers can achieve a more nuanced and complete understanding of their research questions, leading to more effective and actionable results. Choosing between quantitative and qualitative research depends on your goals. Each method has its own strengths and is suited for different types of research questions and objectives. Use quantitative research when you want to measure something with precision and accuracy. This research method is ideal for collecting numerical data that can be quantified and subjected to statistical analysis. Quantitative research is particularly useful when you need to generalize your findings to a larger population. It allows for making predictions and identifying patterns based on the data collected from a sample. This method is also appropriate when your research question is about how much or how many. For example, you might use it to determine the percentage of people who prefer a certain product. On the other hand, use qualitative research when you want to explore a topic in depth. This method is more flexible and allows for a deeper understanding of the subject matter. Qualitative research is essential when you need to understand the reasons behind something. It helps you uncover underlying motivations, beliefs, and attitudes. This method is particularly useful when your research question is about why or how. For instance, you might use it to explore why customers prefer one brand over another. By understanding the strengths of each method, you can make an informed decision about which approach to use. Combining both methods can also provide a more comprehensive view of your research problem. Ultimately, the choice of method should align with your research objectives, the nature of your research question, and the type of data you need to collect. By carefully considering these factors, you can choose the best approach for your research. As we conclude this exploration, I hope you have a clearer insight into each of these research methods. Stay curious and stay learning.